light.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Lazy Housewife. So today I'm going to be doing a newborn nighttime routine. Currently it is 9:41. We're a little bit behind schedule. I just wanted to film this intro for you guys real fast. I'm going to be doing a vlog style for this nighttime routine. I just felt like it might be easier. Obviously we're having to wake up throughout the night to feed the baby, and I don't want to have to set up the tripod and stuff. And you guys are just going to be seeing me do the same thing, like make a bottle and stuff like that. So you guys are about to see me at 2 o'clock in the morning, maybe 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going to be exhausted with no makeup on. So I'm going to be taking my makeup in a minute, so don't judge too hard, you guys. So before I start, I just wanted to share with you guys, last ate at 7:45. We do have them on a schedule, but toward the end of the night, I do like to try to make sure that I time out his last feeding. Usually we have been doing midnight, but at midnight I have been like, it's been torture. I've been so exhausted. So tonight I'm probably gonna do maybe an 11 o'clock feeding so I can go to bed by 11:30 because I'm just so tired. I have been wanting to try to get him to stretch at least 5 hours at night. So he's eating 4 ounces every 4 hours, basically 3 to 4 hours. I want to do to try to get him to stretch at night. We're gonna see. It worked last night. He slept for about a good 5-6 hours. So we're gonna see if he does it again tonight. This is a newborn routine, so I'm not gonna show you guys like my full nighttime routine because I am a mom of 4. So I'm gonna save that for another video because this is gonna be just for the newborn baby right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna get him dressed.
My hand are warm.
I love you. Love you,
Mom,
baby.
my hand are warm. I can make.
Hi, baby.
Doing good, Elijah.
And I can hold
He's
it.
looking at you.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna be better. And he's smiling at me now.
Oh, good burp. Goo. So it's 10 o'clock right now and he's just wanting to kind of play. I'm hoping that he might take a little nap. We're trying to make it till 11 o'clock and then that'll be his last feeding. So I'm hoping I'll be able to do that and he'll just kind of relax a little bit. So yeah, I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I fell asleep a little bit ago. It is 10:45 and I'm so exhausted already. I went and hurried up to take my makeup off. I know I said I'm gonna try and shoot for 11 to feed the baby for his last feeding, but I'll probably, it'll probably be around there, maybe a little after 11. I'm gonna go ahead and pump and then I'm gonna probably make a bottle after that, so yeah. Okay, so I just got done pumping 4 ounces and 2 ounces. So I got 6 ounces for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a bottle and give him his last bottle for the night. By the way, if you guys don't have a bottle warmer, oh my gosh, get one for at Walmart for like $13. But yeah, totally worth it. Got done eating, burping. It's now almost midnight. So tired already. Okay, so it is 5:50 in the morning, and So the baby went almost 6 hours through the night, so I'm happy about that. Just gonna warm up his bottle and then go ahead and feed him. So, yeah. Such a good boy. You slept for so long. Hi. Good morning. I think you want to go back to sleep. Yeah? You want to lay there and play? You can lay there and play. You're so cute. Hi. Oh, my sweet baby. I love you. Come on. Wanna lay down? I'll hold you. To sit up? Oh. You like to sit on mommy's tummy? Like to lay on mom, huh? What are you staring at? There's nothing to stare over there. Handsome boy. Oh, see that light? Okay, so I just laid him down in my mum belly. You guys can't really see it because of the blanket. But this is where he sleeps in. Happy? Huh. So this is my current view. This is our room. So I know it's probably funny because it's, what is it, like March, and we have, they're like Christmas tree lights. I bought those for each of my kids, and we needed a night light because it was driving me nuts. It was like too dark when we were in here. And so one of them is just kind of not enough. Well, especially when the TV's off. I had one up there, and then I decided to put one right there because we were going in and out of the bathroom to like clean out the bottle and stuff. So love having those. I wanted to show you guys what I've been using as far as like logging in, because this has been my sanity, somewhat of sanity left. So I was using the notes, but it was kind of driving me nuts. So I was doing like this daily schedule, and then I was doing like, okay, by 9 p.m. I have to pump, 9:45 I have to feed baby, 11:45 I have to pump. I needed to find like a system that was working for me, and I did use a couple of apps before you guys tell me a bunch of apps. I tried, I don't remember which ones, but everyone was like recommending them, but I didn't like how, well, I'll show you guys. I felt like I needed something side by side because I kept doing like feeding the baby and pumping was just like my biggest schedule throughout the day. So what I ended up doing, I was like, I wonder if there's some kind of like split column note, which like an app store, which there was. So I found Split Note. So the left side is what time the baby ate, so I'll put down the time that I fed him, and then I'll put how many ounces he ate. And then on the right side is what time I pumped, how long I pumped, and how much I got out of it then the next day. And I always cut it off at midnight. Once it hits midnight, I go to the next day. Yeah, and then at the end, I'll put like how many ounces he ate. That way I can kind of keep track. So like this morning, like I fed him at 6 a.m. and he ate 4 ounces. Last night when earlier in my video, I had fed him at 11:45. He had 4 ounces and then he woke up at 6. And then whenever I pump, I just put it right here. So this has been kind of keeping me sane. I don't know, it's like a weird little system, but... So it is almost 7 o'clock. I'm gonna try and go back to sleep. So yeah, I'll probably see you guys at 9 o'clock. And he's just kind of just getting restless right now. Huh, baby? Alright guys, so it's been about almost an hour and a half and I was not able to go back to sleep. Already getting into more of like a morning routine, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the video. I wanted this video just to be like a nighttime routine with the new baby, just kind of like waking up throughout the night. I do plan on doing more of a detailed nighttime routine once the baby's older. This newborn routine, I wanted it to feel like realistic and raw for you guys that are watching. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any other video ideas. And if you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel so that you guys can see more videos from me. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and pump right now and do my makeup and get ready for the day. So I'll see you guys in the next video.